In this specific video, we'll talk about QBasic programming for very beginners. Who want to learn QBasic from very beginning, who don't know QBasic programming, they can start from here. I'll be showing you simple programs, how it work, what are the syntax, everything about, so you can learn QBasic in simple way. You have to watch series of videos in this same playlist for beginners and you can learn that. After that, if you want to learn more, there are playlists available for different things like if statement, while loop, for loop in my YouTube channel. You can learn that. Simply, I'm showing you the dry run of the program, how it works and everything. So let's go to the screen and start. We'll solve two questions today. First, you can see here, write a program to calculate sum of two numbers, means addition of two numbers. Second is WAP, write a program to calculate average of three numbers. So basically, the first question required two numbers because we have to add two numbers. So requirement for this program is two numbers. We need two numbers and then we'll add those numbers and print them. So how to get two numbers in QBasic? We have to write here, first of all, CLS. It means clear the data of the output screen. Whatever the data is in the output screen, in the black screen, that will be deleted. Then after that, we need two numbers. So I will write here input, double quotation start, double quotation close. And inside that, we'll write enter first number, and semicolon, and here n or a. This is numeric variable. This numeric variable a can store value 1, 2, 3, 4 or whatever the number user will enter. It will be stored in a. We got first number. This is the syntax to use input statement, which will take input from the user. Input, again we need second number, so inside this double quotation enter second number, semicolon again, and then b. This is also another numeric variable which will store the second number. So first number is stored in a, numeric variable a. Second number is stored in numeric variable b. We can use a, b, not number here directly. We can't write this number here. You can see here expected variable on current line. We can't write number. We have to write variable name a, b, c, d, like that. Just like that, we can write here number. We have to write variable name which will store the value. Now we have number in a and b. To calculate addition, we'll write here sum. Sum is also another variable which will store the addition of two numbers. That is, first number is a plus second number is b. So our sum is stored in sum. You can write another name as well, like you can write s or you can write add. That's your choice. I will write here sum for now. And then after calculating sum, we have to print that. We have to display that in output screen. So what we'll write is print. Print is used to display some message or value in the output screen. Same like input, we have to write here double quotation. Inside that, we'll write sum of two numbers is, then this is semicolon, and where sum is stored in this sum, sum. So we have to write here sum, and this is the program. So let's run the program and see. You can press F5, shift F5 to run the program, or F and F5 button from the keyboard, or you can go to the run option and start. Then it will execute. As you can see here, exactly same message is displayed here. Enter first number. We have to enter some number, so I will enter here 27. Again, you can see entered second number. We have to enter another number again, so I will enter 10. As you can see, it is calculated sum equals to a plus b, because 27 plus 10, and at the last, after sum of two numbers is, and sum means value, that is 37. So in this way it calculate sum of two numbers. It's very easy. So let's do the another one. Another one is WAP, means write a program to calculate average of three numbers. So what is the requirement for this program? We need three numbers, so that is the requirement. So how to get three numbers? Using this input statement. We have already done, like here, enter first number A, enter second number B. So for third number we have to write here input, enter third number, and then semicolon again, and third number will be 40. No, we have to write variable name, that is C, or you can use any other. So we got three numbers in A, B, C. So how to calculate average? Average, okay, average is, we can write here AVZ for average. We have to write related name equals to A plus B plus C, because we have stored three numbers in A, B, C. So addition of all numbers divided by how many numbers are there? 3. So this is the formula, A plus B plus C divided by 3, because we have three numbers. And then we have to print that. So we'll use here again print, double quotation start, close, inside that average of three numbers is, again semicolon, this is compulsory, and then where we stored average, AVZ, so AVZ, and then end. Let's run the program and check whether it is working or not. Okay, enter first number. As you can see here, whatever we have written here in the message, that is displaying here. So you can write please enter first number, your choice. Okay, now 10, 20, and third number 30. Average of three number is 20. 10, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 divided by 3 is 20. So this is how it display. Average of three number is AVZ, means it will display the value. I hope you understood. So the next program we will discuss is area of circle. So what is the requirement for that? Area of circle. You have to know the formula first. The formula is pi r square. So we need pi. Pi value is 3.14. And the next is r for radius. So we have to write input, enter radius. So do practice if you can, and if you can do that, just write in the comment box. We'll discuss about that program in the next video. If you want to learn QBasic, you can follow this series. This is the first video of simple program in QBasic. You can follow the series and you can understand very easily. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.